In a neat little town they call Brockton, apprenticed in trade I was bound, and many an hour of sweet happiness I spent in that neat little town. Then bad misfortune befell me and caused me to stray from the land, far away from my friends and companions, to follow the black velvet band. As I was out strolling one evening, not intending to stay very long, I met a frolicsome damsel as she came tripping along. She pulled out a pocket and slipped it right into my hand. On the very first night that I met her, bad luck to the black velvet band. Her eyes, they shone like the diamond, you'd think she was queen of the land. And her hair all over her shoulder, tied up in a black velvet band. Before judge and jury